Okay. All right. So we're good to go for our Nearpod. Let me share our screen. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you. Thank you. Here's your code. Show me a thumbs up when you have your code in. Show me a thumbs up when you have your code. Good. So as soon as you have your code in, I just ask for a thumbs up, and then I just remove the code. The code is always in the top left-hand corner. Okay, so celebration station, good job to the following kids on their recent DBAs, Jariah, and then I'm going to meet Jariah again, Arena, Veronica. Some of these kids are in this class and some are in the other class, the morning class. Scott, Lucy, Blessy, and Isabella. Usually Blessy is here. She's not here today, or not yet, maybe. Okay. Okay, so then now you're gonna see me, Montessori, remember yesterday, we don't eat or drink during our Zoom. So now I start to control the Nearpod. So now you're gonna see everything just kind of just move away. So these are our Zoom norms. We respect this, we respect the speaker, raise a silent hand, and then you wait for permission to unmute. Distractions. Minimize the distractions. Get your learn on and Zoom this way. Okay. So today, as soon as this class is over, you're going to be a sun superhero. Today, we're going to talk about the sun, okay? And I took this lesson from module 2, lesson 6, okay? Show me a thumbs up if you are okay, just checking in. Thank you, Chris. Show me a thumbs up if you are good. Thank you, Elias. Thank you, Zoe. Gerard, you okay? Francis, you okay? Okay, good. And Montessori gave me her reaction. It's the same. Okay, today's objective, okay? We're gonna talk about the benefits of the sun, how the sun has some good things to it, but it's also harmful, okay? So there are some good things and bad things about the sun, okay? And once the lesson is finished, Montessori up here. Montessori. So when the lesson is over, you will be able, I'll wait. You will be able to draw a picture of as many items as you can. And those items should be items that will protect you from the sun. So how does the sun help us? And how does the sun hurt us? Okay, so let's talk about some vocabulary. The word beneficial. So when something is beneficial, that means it's good for you, okay? So I'm about to ask you a question. When I finish my question, I'm going to go like this. And when I do this, I am giving you think time. I want you to think about an answer to my question. So if the word I'm giving you for today is beneficial, and it's something that's good for you, can you give me an example of something that's beneficial for you, something that's good for you? So I'm going to give you the question one more time. Manasavi, we're not doing anything yet. So give me an example of something that's beneficial, something that will help you, something that's good for you. No one can think of something that's good for you? Oh, Francis, unmute.
Food is good for people.
Food can be good for you. Okay, good. I need another example of something that's good for you. Zoe, unmute, really good.
Water.
Water is good for you. Christopher, unmute something that's beneficial for you.
Carrots.
Say that again.
Carrots.
Carrots, fruits and vegetables, right? Carrots are vegetable. Okay, Jariah, unmute something that's good for you. I didn't hear you. Unmute.
Shade.
Say that again.
Shade when you're in the sun.
Shade. Oh, really good. Okay, Manasavi, I've called your name a few times. We're not doing anything yet. Okay, yes, Manasavi, you may unmute.
So, like, going in the beach and swimming in the beach is good.
Yes, exercise, right? Yeah, that's a good one. I didn't think about that. Okay, harmful. Harmful is something that's not good for you. Can you raise a silent hand and tell me something that's harmful? Zoe, unmute. Zoe, thank you for your participation.
The thing that you can't eat is batteries also.
Oh yeah, you don't want to eat that. That would definitely be harmful. I agree. Okay, Manasavi, something that's harmful. And then Francis.
Harmful is like staying safe.
Say that again.
Staying safe.
Staying safe? Yeah, but I'm gonna rephrase my question for you. The word was harmful. Tell me something that's not good for you.
Not good for me. I can't eat bad things.
Bad things, right? Okay, yeah. Can you give me an example of something that's a bad thing?
A bad thing like anything.
Well, there's some things that are really bad for us, okay? Okay, Christopher, unmute. Something that's harmful.
Something that's harmful is you cannot eat soap.
Ooh, yeah, I definitely wouldn't want to eat soap. Okay, good. So we just talked about things that are beneficial and things that are harmful. Well, listen, guys, sometimes the sun can be a little dangerous. Sometimes it's not really good for us. If we stay out in the sun too long, we can get sunburn. Sometimes the sun will cause dehydration, where your body, is really, really thirsty. The sun causes things to melt, to fade, and dry up. So what might happen if we didn't have, if there was, sun for a long time and it didn't rain? What would happen to our gardens or to our trees and our plants? What would happen? Francis, you can unmute.
What will happen is they will dry up and they will die.
Yeah. So our fruits and vegetables, the plants in the gardens would dry up. Okay, good. Francis, thank you so much. Anyone else would like to add? Christopher, yes, please add to that.
The plant and the flowers would die too.
They would die, right? So yes, thank you, Christopher.
And when you put water, they come back alive.
Exactly. So the sun is going to dry everything up, and we need that water, to hydrate everything. So we can get a sunburn, we can dehydrate. I'll wait for all eyes. That means our body really needs water. Things can melt, certain things can fade and dry up. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. I'd like to show you something. So in my car, I have had in my car this baseball cap. And this baseball cap has sat in my car for probably maybe no, that's not true. Actually, this baseball cap has probably sat in my car for about 4 years. okay? Now, if you look closely, the color of this hat is gray. Well, that's not the color of, it was not gray when I bought this hat. Well, I'm gonna turn it around, watch this. If you look, part of the hat, if you can see it that well, it's kind of faded. So it's like gray on the top, but this part back here is blue. I'm trying to get some good, it's blue. And if you look under here, it's dark blue. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the hat, dark blue, versus the top part of the hat. This hat, the top part has completely faded because it's been in the sun for 3 to 4 years, if my memory serves me. So things will fade, things will change color, okay? So I had that in my car and I wanted to bring that up to show you, okay? That's an example of something fading. So you stay out in the sun too long, you'll get sunburn, you can dehydrate. And one of the things of dehydration is your body needs water. You can get headaches, you can feel weak, things will melt, fade like my hat, and our plants and our gardens can dry up. However, there are things that we can do to protect ourselves from the harmful sun, okay? So one of the things that we can do, we can wear sunglasses, and I have one missing. I can put sunscreen on. I'm waiting for all eyes. Christopher, sit up. Thank you, Christopher. And an umbrella. I'm missing one thing, something else that can protect me from the sun. Who can help me with that one more thing? One more thing that will help me. Jiraiya, protect me from the sun. A hat. Okay. Zoe, did you have a different answer, Zoe? No? Okay. So we can wear sunglasses, we can wear a hat, put on sunscreen, or we can use an umbrella. Chris, you have something else that can protect us from the harmful sun? Manasavi? I don't have your attention. Go ahead, Chris. Did you want to share, Chris?
Umbrella.
An umbrella, right? Or shade, right? Good. Okay. So these things plus our hat will protect us from the sun. Okay. Well, the sun is helpful. It gives us light, heat, and it does help plants to grow. Okay. Is the sun helpful in any other way? What other purpose does the sun have? Manasavi.
Sun have light.
It gives light. Okay. Can the sun help us with anything? Light, heat, helps plants to grow. Zoe and then Christopher. Good job, guys.
It's like when it's winter, it's so cold and you get so cold. And when it's summer, you go outside and you're so warm.
It's so warm, exactly. Okay, any other final comments? Thank you, Zoe. Zoe, really good job participating. Christopher, unmute.
The someone to do purpose, it burns. It burns.
It can burn you, right? So I'm gonna go back to our screen before. That was one of the dangers of the sun. You can get a sunburn, okay? All righty. Your time to draw. Now, where are my artists? I am looking for you. I want you to listen first to draw a picture of as many things as you can. And those things are items that will protect us from the sun. And we spoke about 4 things. So I want you to draw as many pictures as you can. Not one, Not 2, not 3. We spoke about 4. 4 things that will protect you from the sun, okay? You can start. Go. Now, Elias, on the back of your screen, on the bottom, you're going to see a little pencil. If you click on that, you found it because I see your dot. Very good. As many things as you can that will protect you from the sun. Good, Zoe. Yep. Now, Zoe, you already started, and you know something, Zoe, you can add some color to those items. Looking for all the items that will protect you from the sun. They're going to keep your body nice and not clean, but they're going to keep you nice and protected. Oh, Zoe, good job. Good job, Jariah. All right. So the 4 items that will protect you from the harmful sun. Zoe, very proud of you. Very, very good job. 2 more items, Zoe. Good, Jariah. So your picture should be of something that will keep you safe from the sun. Ooh, Zoe, good job. Monasabi, we're not drawing a sun. What you're going to do is you're going to find the 4 things that will protect you, keep you nice and safe from the sun.
Okay, Miss.
Good job, Elias. Francis, are you able to draw? Is everything okay?
Yes.
Okay. So think of the 4 things that will protect us from the sun. Ooh, Jariah, very good. Yes, Jariah, you may unmute.
I'm gonna tell you what I made. I made water, an umbrella, sunscreen, and a hat.
What about?
Oh yeah, give me a sec.
And water can be very helpful. You're absolutely right. That's good. I like that answer. Ooh, good, Francis. Good. Okay, another minute or so. Yes, Francis, you may unmute.
At my picture have sunglasses and have a spray that can keep you safe from the sun, and have a hat and a umbrella. That's all I have.
That's awesome. What about if you went to the beach and you brought a tent with you? You know, the sun is really strong here in Florida. And when we go to the beach, we bring a huge tent. It's really, really big. So what I see is, I see sunscreen, I see hats, glasses, okay?
It's a sun spray.
Sun spray. Christopher, I don't know if that's yours, but I did need your name in there. I'm not sure if that's yours.
That's mine.
Okay, right? So in the future, you put your
Isomate.
okay, in the future, you put your first name, okay? All right, so I'm gonna have one or two people. Let's have all eyes. Thank you, Christopher. All eyes. I want Christopher to tell me about his picture. Christopher, tell me about your picture. Hold on, Jariah. Waiting for all eyes.
I made the umbrella and sunscreen, and I make water and even a hat.
Good, good. All right. Zoe, tell me about your picture, and then we're going to move on because I've looked at your pictures.
I put sunscreen and a hat and water and an umbrella and a tent.
And a tent. What about glasses? Is sunglasses that will sunglasses protect you also? Yes? Okay, good. Okay, so I'm going to move forward. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Here's a question for you. Yes or no? Plants need sun to grow. Do plants need sun to grow? Yes or no? Elias, you're doing a great job for the first time. Really, very good job, Elias. Do plants need sun to grow? Okay, waiting for Manasavi's answer and Elias and Christopher. Plants need sun to grow. Is that a yes or is that a no? Put your answer in. I'm going to wait for Elias. Do plants need sun to grow? Yes, plants need sun to grow. Yes, next question. Now, you have to really listen to this question, guys. The sun is harmful and helpful? Is it both harmful and helpful? Is it both those things, both harmful and helpful? But plants do need sun to grow. Ooh, look at all those answers flying in. Just checking. Good. Waiting for one more. Zoe, is the sun both harmful and helpful? Yeah, put your answer, yes or no. Yep, go ahead, Zoe. Okay, yes, it's both helpful and hurtful. Glasses will not protect me from the sun. Is that a yes or a no? That they will not protect me from the sun. Will sunglasses protect your eyes? But this says it will not. Is that a yes or a no? Manasavi? Okay, waiting for, so glasses will not protect me from the sun. Okay, glasses. So will glasses will not protect me from the sun? The answer is no. They will protect me. They will help me. Okay? All righty. Okay. Pros and cons. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. So when we talk about the pros and cons, we talk about the good things and the bad things. So the pros are the good things. So what are the pros regarding the sun? What are some of the good things regarding the sun? Francis, tell me one.
The good things about the sun is the sun makes plants grow.
Perfect. Do we have another pro? So pros are the good things. Monasavi and then Elias. Thank you, Elias. Monasavi, unmute. Pro, something that's good about the sun.
Something good is like rain make plants healthy.
They may, ooh, she said healthy. It's true. One more thing, one more pro, one more good thing about the sun. Elias, do you still have your answer? Go ahead. You can unmute, Elias.
That when you walk outside, you won't be cold, you'll be warm.
Yeah, it gives us heat. Now some of the cons, some of the bad things. Who's going to tell me some of the bad things? Christopher, give me one bad thing, one of the cons.
Sunburn.
Sunburn. Zoe, next.
I thought sunburn too.
Oh, okay. Do you have another one or are you going to wait?
I'm gonna wait.
You're going to wait? Okay. Francis, one of the cons, one of the bad things about the sun.
Exhausted.
Say it again.
Oh no, it's not the right. Dehydrated.
Thank you. You get dehydrated. Your body's really thirsty. Monasabi. Chris, hold on to that cord.
Without water and sun, the forest gonna be die.
Right. So the flowers need water. Anything else? What are the cons? What are the bad things about the sun? What about my hat? Who remembers my hat? What happened to the color? It what? Jariah, the color what? What happened to the color of my hat? Faded. I'm sorry, Elias. And what about one more? If it's hot and I have ice cream outside, what's going to happen to my ice cream?
It'll melt.
Oh, wait, okay, it'll melt. Thank you. Okay. All right. Are there any questions about science-related questions? No? Okay. So today we talked about the pros and cons, the good things and the bad things about the sun. You were able to draw a picture of a variety of different things that will protect you. Sunglasses, water will hydrate you, hat, tent, we've added certain things to our list. Umbrella, sunblock, all those things will keep you nice and protected from the sun. Okay. All right. So hold on tight. One last thing. Yep. Christopher, hold on. Okay. For next week, you're going to need a pack of Skittles. For next week, a pack of Skittles, and for the week after, a pack of Sunburst. I did send an email to parents. So if your mom goes shopping today or tomorrow, they're going to start picking those items up. Okay. Because we're going to do something different for next week. Okay. All right. So I'm going to stop sharing. Hold on tight. All right.